What is up, guys? Your boy E-bikeguy here, and today I'm very mad. So if y'all hear somebody screaming, that is Jacoy upstairs playing that Oculus with Eli. He gets on there every now and then, start playing and stuff like that. But I wanted to tell y'all today we had a fantastic ride. I thought I had it on the GoPro, and talking to y'all about my bike. And then Kalani, which is E-bike his sister, they was riding, they raced, and she was a little nervous at first, and then she, well, the last leg of our riding trip, she actually beat Jacoy. Now, mind you, that Jacoy was not riding his bike; he was riding the Voltrix Max 60, and it's an e-moto or electric dirt bike, which is a very fun dirt bike. He chooses to ride that more than his 5,000 watt e-bike because of the fact that the e-motor is more got full suspension and everything. It's a mid-drop motor, so it's very light out in the trails. And with these hub motors, they're very heavy. But nonetheless, he still ride that, you know what I mean? But a more serious rides, he will ride his 5,000 watt e-bike. But that's just fun, something fun to play around. But anyways, of the story there, I didn't want to ruin the footage. So I wanted to, what I did, I cut some of it to show y'all what happened with the GoPro. My GoPro just had a seizure. I'm not gonna lie. When I was reviewing the video, it started off good, and all of a sudden, it felt somebody took my GoPro and threw it, just threw it far as they can throw it, and it just started tumbling. You know when some people get in accidents on their like motorcycles and their camera just flies off and it's like tumbling. Well, that's what it looked like. And yeah, I was pissed off. So I was riding the F3 Max e-bike by aipas. So I was riding that because when my bike out there, man, it's far as power, acceleration, all that goes, it is fantastic. Very scary to ride because it just accelerates so fast. The front wheels are coming up and everything. And I'm gonna tell y'all about that more later in another video. But so I rode that, and right down the road from my house. So we just dropped off two other kids on their e-bikes. So me, my daughter, and my son, we were riding through the trails because Jacoy's like, "Hey, Dad, let's go through the trails." I'm like, okay, because my daughter, believe it or not, she knows how to ride that e-bike pretty good. We go through the trails, and maybe about a good 100, maybe 150 feet from the house, I noticed that my steering was really like uncontrollable, you know what I mean, like swaying all over the place. Looked down, my tire was flat. I'm like, God damn it. So y'all gonna see that in the video right quick, okay? So I didn't want to throw away all the footage, and I wanted to make this a little bit longer to let y'all guys understand what was going through, because I do want to do e-bike ride videos all the time. Ooh, excuse me. And drinking some tea right here. So it's about 10 o'clock at night, and everybody got them a shower and everything. All the e-bikes put up. I didn't charge the Max 60 or the F3. I'm going to change the tube on the F3 Max tomorrow, because I want to use that bike for pedaling purposes. You know what I'm saying? Just try to grip my legs. You know what I mean? Because I feel like I'm out of shape, to be honest. And I do need a wider seat. You know what I mean? Like just get another Cloud9 seat. Probably go to the bike shop sometime this week. Grab me a wider seat, put it on there, and I'll just use that bike, you know what I'm saying, just for like, pedaling around the lake and stuff like that. Because now my bike, it don't have no pedals on it. It has pedals, but it don't have no chain on it. The QS268 is not ideal for an e-bike to pedal. And far drivers, they do make, if you happen to get like a psychoanalyst, but we'll go through all that later. But anyways, so that's the real deal. When when I'm going to get grocery stuff, yeah, I'm taking that bike. But something to just pedal and don't need the speed all over the place. Yeah, I'm gonna just ride those e-bikes. And I do have one coming for another review, and we're gonna get that out of the way for reviews. So I got a bunch of review videos, and I got a bunch of e-bike ride videos that I haven't even released yet. It is on the channel. but I haven't released the pub yet. But I have a lot, man, because I'm taking a lot of videos now, just what I'm doing and build videos, all kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So stay tuned for those, and just watch the end of this video, as you will see that the camera just is not. It was making no sense. I don't know what did it, because it was still on my chest, so it wasn't like I was, you know, tumbling down a mountain or something like that, you know. And yeah, that's what it just all of a sudden it just went straight, and then all of a sudden just started rolling in circles. I'm like, what the hell? So you'll see that, you know what I mean? And go ahead and enjoy that, and hopefully it won't happen again. But hey, I just made a funny out of it, you know what I mean? But just watch it, man. y'all gonna be like, what the hell? All right, guys. So I couldn't show you on the GoPro because the GoPro was I think the GoPro had a seizure, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But man, I just caught a flat, man, like maybe 100 feet, caught a flat, and I guarantee you I know where it came from because we went through the trails, and that's what I was talking about, getting, you know, those black cat tires of some sort, you know, that's have heavy duty. But look at that, just that little thorn, I guarantee you put a hole in that tire. But luckily I do have another tube. I'm not even trying to patch this darn tire. I'll just throw a tube in it and be done with it. But these tires are very thin, has very thin sidewall. The treads, yeah, they're knobby, but this is very thin where you can run over cactus and you're out of commission. So upgrade these tires to some of those black cat Allscapes. The other ones I forgot what the name is, and be done with it. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what happened with the GoPro. So I'm not gonna ruin the video, but here's the footage of it. It just looked like it's tumbling down the road, and I had my GoPro on my chest, and I looked at it, I'm like, what the hell happened? So look at it, just look at the footage. That's what it's doing, and I'm like, what the hell? So I'm gonna cut it right there. We did have a good time. My daughter actually beat Jacoy, or my daughter or sister versus brother. So this bike, like I said, is way faster than that. I knew it was, but she got enough confidence that she can actually throttle it. She does start off slow, but once she get going, she nails it, and she comes by and passes Jacoy. Now Jacoy was like, hey, I'm gonna get my big bike, which is right here. But this is a fun bike. The Max 60 is a very fun bike, you know what I mean? We're gonna be juicing that up soon, okay? And soon as she mastered this, I'm gonna be upgrading to something like that, you know what I mean? So both of them have something to ride on. But yeah, man, so here's my my bike is sitting over here chilling. I'm gonna do a video on this. I'm charging up 92, I'm gonna stop it right there. But I gotta take that BMS out, or the active balancer. I'm gonna throw that crap away because that's my third active balancer that's in there. So we're gonna put a JK BMS on the charge side and let it balance, you know what I mean? That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that one, and I'm gonna do my son's on. Now usually these bikes, this one, that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, all of those have smaller cells. So these are P45Bs, P42As, P45Bs, P42As, P45Bs. They balance so good. All I have to do is glance at the BMS, boom, they're balanced. I ain't gotta worry about it. This one, the EVE 50PLs, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is showing a little bit low voltage at 3.5, and the rest at 3.7. And like I say, these are the production cells. They're crappy. That's why I want to go with 10 power something cells. And I don't know when to do that battery, but I'm going to put a BMS in it. So anyway, so that is it for today's story, man. I took the kids out. They had fun, and I pedaled right before the tire went flat. But yeah, man. And sorry about the GoPro footage. Yes, it had a seizure. I don't know what's on, man. I need new camera equipment though, man. I'm gonna gotta get something. I gotta save my money and get something. So anyway, guys. All right, guys. So that is it for today's video of the E-bikeguy channel. And make sure y'all like it, man. Okay. Anyways, this is E-bikeguy, and I'll see y'all later.